bracket down. So what we got here is we got a actual cherry bomb, and then we've got the other muffler that Kent's working on over there is just a glass pack. So we're going to try, let me turn you up here. This is the drinker side, so we're going to run this down, and then we're going to flare it out right before that tire right there. That's what you call tack welding, boys and girls.
Everything that you wanted to know how to do wrong, I'm just showing you right here.
Well, that's how we do it here.
Easy to make a good hamburger when you start out with a $10 piece of meat.
Yeah, you know? That's true. Well, I think we're going to see if this thing will run.
Everybody got the tetanus shot?
Oh, that's a lot of water. Alright guys, that's it. We got the old warwagon running. We got the exhaust on it. We took it around, spinning around the yard. Well, around the block, really. Runs great. You can hear yourself think inside the cab. So, big thanks to Kent and my son who came over, and we got his lawnmower going as well. So we had a lot going on today.